On the hunt for a 10-pound bass has landed me to Elder Street in Riverside. I found a pond, but of course it was gated, so I took matters into my old job's hand. I used to do things like this at my old job. I am in fact part of the Spider-Man community in Jacksonville. So I made a few casts under the fucking bridge, caught nothing. Turns out this place sucked. Only 2 turtles. The only thing I'd seen living. So I made it to another pond in Riverside, but shortly got kicked out by a light-skinned security guard, fake-ass rent-a-cop bitch, who
There
called
he
for
is,
backup,
Lord
which in
Farquaad
fact was
looking
Lord
motherfucker
Farquaad
out
from
here
Shrek
can't
1 and
fish.
3. Fake-ass rent-a-cop
Bitch
bitch.
ass. Ain't no fish out here anywhere.